Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to copy subtasks from one task to another in your Asana account. This is a helpful feature when you have repetitive tasks or want to transfer specific details between tasks quickly. Let's dive in. Step 1. Signing into Asana. First things first, head over to Asana and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the admin dashboard where you can manage all of your projects, tasks, and subtasks. Step 2. Accessing your project. Now, let's navigate to the left side of the screen and click on Projects. Here is where you'll find all of your ongoing tasks and projects. I'm going to choose one project from my list to demonstrate. Once I've selected the project, I'll see a list of all the tasks within this project. In each task, you'll find various subtasks, which are smaller components of the main task. Step 3. Finding the subtasks. When you open a task, you'll notice an icon with multiple lines, which indicates the subtasks attached to that task. Click on it, and it will open up the subtasks for you to view and manage. Step 4. Copying subtasks. Method 1. Now, let's talk about copying the subtasks. Unfortunately, Asana doesn't currently have a direct one-click method to copy subtasks from one task to another. But don't worry, there are a few ways you can manage this. One option is to duplicate the entire task. This method is useful when you want to copy all the subtasks from one task and create a new task with all of them. Here's how you can do it. Open the task that contains the subtasks you want to copy. Click on the More options, 3 dots in the Tasks toolbar, and select Duplicate Task. This will create a new task with the same subtasks, and you can then move them to another project if needed. However, if you only want to copy a few subtasks without duplicating the entire task, you'll need to use the manual method. Step 5. Copying subtask details manually. If you don't want to duplicate the whole task, you can copy the subtask details individually. To do this, open the subtask you want to copy. Copy the subtask's details such as the title, assignee, due date, and description. Go to the task where you want to add the subtask, click Add Subtask, and paste the copied details. This may seem a bit manual, but it's a simple workaround for copying subtasks between tasks. If you find yourself copying the same subtasks across multiple tasks frequently, you might want to consider creating a task template with predefined subtasks. While Asana doesn't have an automatic subtask copy feature, creating templates can save you a lot of time if you have recurring tasks. You can create a task template, add all the necessary subtasks, and then duplicate it whenever needed. And that's it. Although Asana doesn't offer a direct copy feature for subtasks, these methods should help you manage and copy your subtasks effectively. Whether you're duplicating tasks or manually copying subtask details, Asana provides flexibility to keep things organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you use subtasks in Asana to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.